further we can study, हम further इसको study कर सकते हैं कि we can have the we can learn that how we can have per capita variable form or intensive form of the production function. हम production function की per capita form या intensive form किस तरह सीख सकते हैं. We could say that we have y is equal to f, k and l and t, and we know that the t is again technology which is constant, y is the function of labor and capital, and then if we divide both sides by labor, अगर हम दोनों sides को labor के साथ divide करते हैं, so we'll be having this equation y divided by labor, which is equivalent to f into k over l, and l over l technology again is constant, so that is we're not being divided by labor. So we could say that now we have this form of function, production function. Y is the function of k, small k. As we have done y as the small k, that f को डिवाइड कर देंगे लेबर के साथ, कैपिटल और लेबर को भी डिवाइड कर देंगे, तो ये लेबर जब लेबर के साथ डिवाइड होगा तो इट विल कम टू 1, सिर्फ 1 हो जाएगा. सो योर पर कैपिटा प्रोडक्शन फंक्शन विल लुक लाइक दिस वन. स्मॉल y is equal to small f into small k. So it is also, you could say, the intensive form of the production function. Production function की intensive form है. We could say that the per capita output is equivalent to the, or per capita output is the function of per capita capital. Per capita output जो है, that is the function of per capita capital. So this is how we'll pronounce it. The per capita output is the function of per capita capital, or output per capita is the function of capital per capita. Or you could also say that the intensive form of the production is this, कि आपके पास जो output labor ratio है, that is the function of capital labor ratio. So throughout our solo growth model, we'll be using this intensive form of the production function. That is, output per worker is the function of capital per worker. Moreover, we could say that कि हमारे पास जो भी marginal productivity of capital है, we will have to find out the marginal productivity of capital in per capita form, and then marginal productivity of labor in per capita form. दो इक्वेशंस हैं. हमने कहा कि marginal productivity of capital and marginal productivity of labor both can also be the per capita form. दोनों जो हैं वो भी per capita form के अंदर हो सकते हैं, और इनके per capita forms में होने और इनकी डेरिवेशन करने के लिए हमें क्या करना चाहिए. लेट्स स्टार्ट डूइंग इट.